Hi friend, welcome to my channel Programming Hub. Today, I will explain another C program to check if number is even or odd. In this program, the user is asked to enter an integer and using if and else conditional statements. The program check the given number is even or odd. Concept of this program is even odd numbers. Let us know about what is even number and odd number. If a number is exactly divisible by 2 and leaves remainder 0, then it's an even number, else it is an odd number. So, let's start the program by entering header files. Hash include stdio.h. This header file contains printf and scanf function. Int main. This is the entry point of every C program. Execution of C program starts from here only. Open the curly bracket. Int n integer data type variable. Here n is for user input. Now use printf function to display a message to user enter an integer, therefore. Printf enter an integer. Store this value using scanf function. Scanf %d, %n. %d is integer format specifier. And ampersand is to user input value. If you have any doubt, please comment me in comment box. Now use if and else conditional statement. Before using, I want to discuss about modulo operator. This modulo operator returns the remainder of divisor and dividend. Now we use this operator to figure out whether the number is even or odd. Remember this. If modulo operator returns 0, then the number is even. Otherwise the number is odd. Now, if n divided by 2 is equal to 0, then printf %d is an even integer, n. Else, printf %d is an odd integer, n. %d used in printf function as integer format specifier. Return 0. Close the curly bracket. Now compile the program. It shows some error here. Oh, I forgot to put bracket here. Now run the program. Enter an integer 0.15. Let's see output. 15 is an odd number. Let's try with another integer. 6. 6 is an even number. If you have any doubt, please comment me in comment box. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.